Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm Joseph Novichkov, Senior Analyst at GDMFX with the morning outlook, starting with the Japanese currency. It touched the strongest level against the euro for the past 4 months on tensions in Iraq after Iraqi military attacked insurgents who had actually captured territory north of Baghdad. The yen's also rising against most of its major peers as violence in Iraq spurred concerns that oil supplies might be disrupted, as well as bolstering the appeal for a safe haven. Now the price against the US dollars right now, we're looking at slightly above the level of 102, aiming for recovery above the level of 102.20. Today is a very important day in US and UK. We're expecting news PPI for UK and also CPI, the Core Consumption Price Index. We recently saw the level of 1.70 for the GBP against the US dollar, that it seems hard to be breached, especially with the uncertainty on the house market in UK. The cable is bouncing, is bound for a correction to the downside. We might be able to see prices below 168.95. Later into the US trading session, we're expecting, as I mentioned, CPI index to come out. That's 12:30 GMT. The numbers also will show up whether the economy is strengthening or not. We're expecting also the building permits and housing starts, all important inflationary gauges. The Federal Reserve will probably raise the benchmark interest rate faster than money managers and investors are expecting, and the US dollar futures, the world's most actively traded short-term interest rate contracts, are underestimating the pace of tightening over the next 2 years. Now gold failed to breach the level of 1285 yesterday in the trading session. It's extending its decline before the US Federal Reserve begins its two-day meeting starting from today. Technically, the yellow metal took support around the 33% retracement level at the recent downtrend. However, we expect a bounce off of the level towards the next resistance level of 1275.77. From where the upside looks a little bit limited from the 14 and 200 exponential moving averages. The fundamentals, however, later into the US session might shift the direction of the precious metals, so we prefer to wait until the news are out to take any action on the precious metal. Oil drops from 9th-month high as recently the recent gains were unsustained, and the decline to $105 per barrel are seen in near future. Where a break below as well, it might drive the prices of oil below 103.75, represented the 66% retracement level on the Fibonacci. If of course such an event occurs, the recent uptrend will be too flat to be trusted, and neutral to sidelines movement looks much more appropriate. That's all from me from today. Thanks for watching.